Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
What are the advantages of a bicycle compared to a car?
Bicycles have far more benefits than cars except for the fact that a car is faster. The most important advantage of riding a bicycle is that it keeps us healthy. Bicycles do not pollute the air, and they are environment friendly. They are cheap and requires no costly maintenances or services. While cars take larger spaces to be parked into, bicycles do not. Considering the environmental consequences, bicycles could be a great replacement for motorized vehicles in our hometown. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.